If there was any doubt in your mind about whether or not you should head up to Mille Lacs this weekend, hopefully this video helps settle that for you. I've been out the last 2 weekends with family, brother-in-law, nephew, my brother, my kids. It's been awesome. Both smallmouth and walleye are biting pretty well right now. I've been fishing the northwest and north end of the lake quite a bit, focusing mainly on rocky areas, anywhere from about 8 to 18 feet. You can see the smallie there's got the VMC moon eye, and here in a second I'll show you how I like to hook those shiners on there. Just go in through the top of the skull there, and then I like to slide them up, and they've got that nice little keeper on the back side there. You can see I'm getting it into the bottom of the fish's lip to help hold it on, and then I'm just real slowly, about 0.5 to 0.7 miles an hour, dragging around the edges and on top of those rocky reefs. Fishing's been super consistent. If there's a little bit of wind, it obviously helps, but get up there, get the kids up there. It's easy enough fishing for them to do. If you're struggling, move around, try to get away from people a little bit. It's getting pretty busy,
nice
but
job,
here's some of the action. Thanks for watching.
There you go, buddy. Not in this lake.
Get the net underneath it, bud. There you go, lift it up. Nice. Wow, what a nice fish. Look at that, Lainey. Tanker. Hold it up, Lena. Oh, it's a northern. Right.
Nice job, Lainey.
Look at that one. That's a northern.
Is that one yours?
It's a team effort.
Whoa.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
No!
You're catching the most fish, so I wanted to ask you some questions about how you were doing it. Where are we fishing right now?
Mille Lacs.
What are we fishing for?
Walleye.
Yeah, what kind of bait are you using? Huh? Using for bait today? Huh? What kind of bait are you using today? A jig and a...
Jig and
Shiners?